In this video, we are going to see how we can customize the shortcut keys in the Brave browser. So what you can do is just click on the three lines at the top right hand corner and just click on the settings right at the bottom. Once you click here, on the left hand side, you need to click on the system, and then on the right hand side, you will see shortcuts option right at the top. Here we can customize any short key. So for example, open the new window. As you can see that I accidentally put an N sign for the new window. So even if we start writing N, it just opens up the new window, and that is so much of a problem. So what you can do is just reset it to the original one, or you can add a new one here. But as soon as I refresh, it is back to Control N, and now if I press only N, it doesn't open the new window. So that's how you can customize any kind of shortcut keys from the list. You can also search for any particular function. So for example, for the new window, for the private browsing, you can customize however you want or however you feel convenient. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.